Hello, my this is Ramadan. This is the next level part of the language. So here one person told that the things basically are like this. The things basically are like this. The things basically are like this. So here one person asked the question. The entire creation basically is separating to nano basically. The things basically are getting to nano format basically. The AI technology is basically telling that basically we are processing the data. AI means what basically? It's advanced conditions basically, right? Advanced conditions, no basically. So advanced conditions basically is containing this 20 crore data basically, which is going to come. So 1% to that might be containing. If it's not, then basically it's a AI error basically. But mostly basically the child basically are getting processed also, and child are basically coming also, and Reliance like group basically are there. Reliance like big person basically are there. So they are basically telling that basically we are producing the doctor also, and we are basically creating the doctors also, and that also with 100%. That means basically the future data basically is getting passed to the child souls basically, and the AI group basically 100% might be having the data also. Otherwise basically how the doctors 10 lakh doctors basically data is getting processed to this 1 lakh doctors, and then again basically the same thing basically gets circled basically. So you can just imagine basically that means basically things are going perfectly basically. So here one person told that means basically the AI groups are taking the data perfectly basically, and AI basically know that basically their data basically are getting used in these all places, on these all places basically. So next video is